YouTrip is a fantastic digital wallet for travelers, making multi-currency payments easy and fee-free. Naturally, as people see the benefits, a common question pops up. Can I have two YouTrip accounts? The short answer is no, you can't. YouTrip's terms and conditions, like most regulated financial services, only permit one account per individual. When you sign up, your account is tied directly to your unique identification details, things like your national ID or passport number. This is a crucial step for what's called Know Your Customer, KYC, verification, which financial institutions must perform to prevent fraud and comply with anti-money laundering regulations. Think about it. Your YouTrip card is essentially a linked prepaid MasterCard or Visa, and banks generally only issue one primary account for each unique person for regulatory compliance. What if you have a joint trip or need a card for your family? Well, that's where the single account policy becomes relevant. You cannot apply for a second account for yourself. If your spouse or child, if they are of the minimum legal age to hold an account, needs a YouTrip card, they must register for their own individual account using their separate personal identification documents. Each person needs to complete their own KYC process. So, while having two accounts would be convenient for separating travel budgets or using different currencies, the rules are clear: one YouTrip account per person. If you've lost your card or need a replacement, you would simply request a new card linked to your existing account, not open a whole new one. Keep your travel simple, secure, and compliant. One YouTrip, one traveler. Safe travels.